In this video, we'll be telling about how to update software in your Android phone. For this, first what we need to do is open settings. In settings, you can see about phone option. Sometimes it will be above or sometimes it will be down. Anyways, click on about phone. When you're clicking on that, here you can see software update details. Click on this software option. When you're clicking on that, here you can see check for updates option. Click on check for updates. When you're clicking on that, if there is any software update, you can see that details. Here you can see learn what's new option. Just click on this and here you can see every details in that software update. Anyways, if you want to update this software, what you need to do is click on download update. When you're clicking on that, downloading will be started and after downloading is finished, they will ask to restart your phone. A pop-up message will come. Click on update. Your phone will restart and updation will be completed. And here some more settings are there. Above you can see 3 dots. Click on this 3 dots. Here you can see settings option. Click on settings. Here you can see some options. Download automatically option is there. If you want to download it automatically, you can turn this on or you can turn this off. Or if you want to use mobile data, you can turn this on. Or if you want to install updates automatically during night when you are not using your phone, you can turn this on also. Anyways, I am turning this off because I don't want these updates. Anyways, you can set that according to your need. And another thing is that if you are not able to see this option, here you can see search settings. You can search for software or update and you will reach that page. Anyways, this way you can easily update your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.